In this video, we're going to take a look at the government intervention in the market known as a price floor. Price floors are price controls that set a minimum price above what the normal equilibrium price would be. So we'll start with our supply and demand curves, so our market model. And in this instance, our market equilibrium price is $5 and our equilibrium quantity is $200. Now let's say that the government steps in and sets a price, a minimum price of $9. The result of this is that the quantity demanded would fall to 170 and the quantity supplied would rise to 240. So as you can see here where the price crosses the demand curve, 170 people want to buy this product at $9. And 240 people are willing to sell it. So the result of this is a surplus. The surplus in this instance is 70. The primary example that economists use for this is the minimum wage law in the United States. So if we think about this market as being the market for workers in the marketplace, the actual minimum wage should be $5. Because at $5 an hour, there are 200 people who want to work, and there are 200 jobs available. When the government sets a minimum wage higher to a price of $9, what we find is that there are 170 jobs out there, so 170 employers are looking for workers, and 240 people are looking for work. So the result is that we have 70 people who are unemployed. This is the microeconomic knock on minimum wage. Basically, the argument is that it creates unemployment. But in reality, it's a bit more complex than that. So that's probably what you're going to want to take a look at in the next part of the assignment, where you're going to start to examine this and whether or not minimum wage actually creates unemployment, or does it foster more employment by giving people more money to spend in the marketplace.